Here I have Porsche Panamera 4S, and let me show you how to change the chassis settings on the following car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen, and now all you need to do is navigate by using the left bar. Scroll down here to enable the car. So if you tap the car, you've got here access to the control. Let's tap control, this gear icon, and if you tap the gear icon, you've got here the main menu of settings that you can use. And here, let's use the down side of the screen. Here we've got the vehicle. This is like the main section of the settings, so let's choose the vehicle. As you can see here, you've got few things that you can customize. If you scroll down, you should see here chassis. Let's just tap chassis, and as you can see, this menu controls the advanced suspension and steering system of your vehicle during special situation. One of them is snow chain mode. As you can see, you can enable this or disable by using this checkbox. So what it is, it's the activation of rear axle steering, and you should use it only when you have snow chains installed on your tires. If your car has a rear wheel steering where the back wheels turn slightly to help with cornering, the chains could hit the inside of the wheel well or the suspension components. So it's quite useful. Let's remember this when you are using the chains. Then you've got here the car drag mode. This is like the activation of level adaptation for using car drag. So when to use it? Every time you leave the car using a car drag or a professional workshop. So your car has active air suspension that tires to keep the vehicle level at all times. So let's just remember this to enable this car drag mode when you are on your workshop. So I think that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.